Hi everyone, we have choosing of the problem surds or radical and exponential from Olympiad math. Problem is find the value of x from expression under root 11 times of under root 11 is equal to 121 raised to the power x. Now on solving this problem, given that we have under root 11 times of under root 11 is equal to 121 raised to the power x, we have find the value of x. Now on solving this, under root 11 means it can be written as this under root 11 times of under root 11 is equal to 121 raised to the power x. It can be written as 11 whole to the power 1 by 2, this root 11 to the power 1 by 2 into under root 11, this root to the power 1 by 2, we can write like this is equal to 121 raised to the power x. Now 11 to the power 1 by 2 into 11 to the power 1 by 2, and this root we can write like as same 1 by 2 whole to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 121. It can be written as 11 square is 121 whole raised to the power x. Now if we have a to the power b whole to the power c is equal to a to the power b into c, by using this manner and here and here, 11 to the power 1 by 2 times of 11 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 2 to the 4 is equal to 11 to the power 2 into x, 2x. Now if we have a to the power b into a to the power c is equal to a to the power b plus c, base and base same and base and base same in multiply by then adding the power b plus c, by using this manner on here and left side, 11 to the power base and base same in equal, then choosing the base of single and adding the power, overall 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 11 to the power 2x. 11 to the power, now multiply by upper here 2 and numerator and denominator, 2 into 2 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 11 to the power 2x. 11 to the power 2 over 2 to the 4 plus 1 over 4 is equals to 11 to the power 2x. Now let's take as a LCM as a 4 and adding numerator 2 plus 1 is equals to 11 to the power 2x. 11 to the power 3 by 4 is equals to 11 to the power 2x. If we have a to the power b is equals to a to the power c, and which gives the condition a not is equals to 0 comma plus minus 1, base and base same at equal, then equating power b is equals to c, by using this manner on here at both the sides, by using this manner at both the sides, base and base at equal and equating power 3 by 4 is equals to 2x. Now multiply by 1 by 2 at both the sides, 2x into 1 by 2, this to be cancelled, 3 1 ja 3, 4 2 ja 8 is equals to x. We have getting the value x is equals to 3 by 8. Now getting the value x is equals to 3 by 8. X is equal to 3 by 8. Finding the value x is equal to 3 by 8 means getting the value of x is equal to 3 by 8. Now let us check this value is correct or not. Now let's quickly 2 check the value of x putting main equation. Main equation is under root 11 times of under root 11 is equal to 121 raised to the power x. Under root 11 times of under root 11, we already calculated this, 11 to the power 3 by 4. 11 to the power 3 by 4 is equal to 121. We can write like 11 square whole raised to the power x. 11 to the power 3 by 4 is equal to 11 square. Putting the value x is equal to 3 by 8 here. 11 to the power 3 by 4 is equal to 11 to the power 2 1 2, 2 2 4. 11 to the power 3 by 4. Left and right side equal, then x is equal to 3 by 8 is the correct answer of that question. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.